Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. United chatting and lovely people. As you can see, there are three parrots sitting on that tree, and they are so happy. They are having fun by flying here and there the branches of that tree, but they are quiet this time. They will speak something, and finally they have flown. Okay, but yeah, once again they have come on this tree, and now they are sitting and they are playing this time while flying here and there. They are flying here and there, and they come on this tree after flying. Wow, these are amazing creatures. Allah has created these such a lovely birds. Mashallah, I'm having amazing time while shooting this video. Wow, how beautiful he is, and he's speaking something. He's trying to have conversation with me, but I don't know his language. Okay, now they have gone. Okay, they are flying in the sky, as you can see. Now they have come back on these branches, and now they are sitting so quietly, and they are thinking something to do, and they will definitely do what they are willing to do. Okay, let me end this video over here, and let me know if you liked this video. Thank you, take care, and keep smiling, guys.